Hello friends, today we are going to start our Kotlin course. This is our first lecture. Now in this what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a programming language used to develop Android apps. Google has announced that it is the best language to do Android development. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss what are functions, how to write a basic hello world program, what are variables, what are constants, what are the different data types in Kotlin. So now we will start with what is a function and how we define a function in Kotlin. Function is a set of instructions to perform some task. In Kotlin we give some in a function we give some inputs. Inputs are given by given as arguments and we get an output. Now how we define a function is we write fun function name, and in a brackets we write the arguments we give as input, then in curly brackets we write our code. This is how we define our functions. Now how we write our basic hello world program is, in every Kotlin program starts with a main function. Every Kotlin program should have a main function. JVM always looks for a main method while running your program. So this is how we write our main function. We first give our function name as main, and in that we write code as println of welcome to the cheesy code. Now what are variables, what are constants in Kotlin? Variables are nothing but we store data in a box. They are nothing but a box in which we store data. So variables, in variables we have two types of variables. One is constant variables, one are non-constant variables. Non-constant variables are, we define it as var, and the constant variables we define it as val. The constant variables once defined, they will have the same value, they cannot be reassigned. And the second thing is the non-constant variables, they can be reassigned. Now we will discuss what are the data types in Kotlin. There are four types of data types. Basic data types are four types. They are integer, floating point, boolean, character. So integers are, in integer we give only integers 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2. These are integers. Now what are the floating point numbers? Floating point numbers are like decimal numbers like 1.2, 1.3, 5.4. These are the floating point numbers. What are boolean? Boolean are true or false. They will have, if we say do you like football, we say yes or no. So true or false. And the next thing is character. Characters are like A, B, C. These are all characters. Raju is a string. So this is here this is how we define data types in Kotlin. We can define it as if they are constant, we can define it as val, or if they are not constant, we can define it as var. So this is how we define see how we define an integer. We give we first define it as constant or non-constant, then we give the name of the variable, then they are of which data type, integer data type or floating point data type. If they are floating point, we use double. If they are boolean data type, we use boolean. If they are character data type, we use char. If they are string type of variables, so we use string, string. So the first letter is always capital. So this is nothing but the constant or non-constant variables and the data types in Kotlin. Thank you.